Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. In this video, let's learn about return types of methods in Java. Okay, so let's proceed to code demo for that. So friends, here I have one class with name return type example. So let's start to write code in this class. First of all, let's define one method with name greet. Okay, so let's write do code for that. Public static void name of the method is greet, and add curly brackets here, and let's write code to print the message using the sysout method. Okay, sysout pass the message as hi all. Okay, and add one exclamation mark here. Save the code. Now friends, we have defined our method greet. Now let's call this method in main method. Okay, so write greet brackets and semicolon. So friends, we have done with our method greet. This is the method type is void. Okay, which does not return anything. Okay, so for void method we don't need to create an object of that method. Okay, so let's run our code. So friend, this is our output hi all. Okay, so this is the return first return type. So friend, the greet method has a return type of void, has a return type of void, indicating that it does not return any value, which will simply prints a greeting message. The greeting message was hi all. Okay, so friends, now let's see other returning type of method, which is primitive. Okay, so let's delete this. Okay, I'm deleting this method. Okay, so let's proceed for next return type, which is primitive type. Okay, so here let's initialize variable sum. Sorry, first of all, let's define one method here. The method name is add. Okay, so public static data type int integer, and name of the method is int, and or pass the arguments and variables integer a and b. Okay, which will return addition of a and b. Okay, save the code. Now let's store our method result in variable sum. Okay, so int sum equal to call the method add, and I'm passing the integer value as 5 and 8. Okay, now let's write code to print the result, means sum to the console. Okay, so time the pass the message as sum plus sum. Fine, friends. Save the code. Now, friends, let's run our code to get the output to the console. Okay, so our result will be 5 plus 8, which will be 13. Okay, the addition of 5 and 8 is 13. Okay, so our result will be 13 because we have return the addition of variable a and b in the return statement. Okay, so let's run our code. Friends, you can see that sum 13. Okay, so this is our output. So this is the uh, return type. So this is all about method return type primitive. Okay, so now let's move to next type, which will which will which is returning object type. Okay, so let's see the example for that. Let's delete this. So let's define method which will uh, let's define method of object type. Okay, so let's write code. Public static string, method name is get full name. Okay, get full name, and the arguments are string first name, string last name. Okay, let's add the method body, which curly brackets. Let's add the return statement here. Return first name plus space plus last name. Okay, add semicolon, save the code. So friends, now move into main method. Friends, let's come into main method and store the full name result in the variable full name. Okay, so string full name equal to get full name, and pass the name here. Full name will be the full name will be Rahul. Surname will be Sharma. Okay, Rahul Sharma. Save the code and let's write code to get the output to the console using the method system.out.println. Okay, so let's pass the message full name plus method name. Our method name is, sorry, our variable name, string variable name, which we have defined here, full name. Okay, so let's write this variable name here, full name. Okay, and save the code. Fine, friends. So friends, our code is ready now. Our code for type return type object is ready now. So let's run our code. So friends, now you can see that our output is full name Rahul Sharma. Okay. So friends, here the get full name method returns a string object, which is the concatenation of the first and last names. String object. This the get full name method returns a string object, which is the concatenation, means addition of the first first name and last name. Okay, and the main method calls get full name and prints the result, our which is the full name Rahul Sharma. Okay, fine, friends. So friends, now let's move to next method, return type, which is returning arrays. Okay, so friends, now let's define method which will return an integer, an array of data type int, which means integer. Okay, so let's define that method. Public public static int array, integer array. Name of the method is generate numbers, generate numbers. Okay, and pass the variable argument count, integer count. Okay, now let's add the method body. Store the integer array result in variable result, in variable name result. Okay, equal to new int, pass the variable name count. Okay, save the code. And friends, here define one for loop for int I equal to 0, where I is less than count semicolon, and increment the I. Okay, add the loop body result I equal to I plus 1. Save the code. And now friends, add a return statement outside the for loop, not in the for loop. Okay, return, write the name, variable name result. Okay, save the code. Fine, friends. Okay, so let's come into main method and call the. So friends, let's come into main method and calls the generate numbers method with an argument 5, and assigns the returned array to the variable numbers. Okay, so integer array name numbers equal to all our method generate all our last defined method generate numbers with argument 5. Okay, add semicolon here, generate numbers. Okay, and friends, here there is a spelling mistake, so let's look correct that. Generate numbers, numbers. Okay, fine friends, save the code and let's write code to get the output. Okay, the message generated numbers plus all the method arrays, sorry, all the method to string arrays dot to string. Okay, and pass our array name, which is numbers. Fine, save the code again. Okay friends, so let's run our code to get the output to the console. Okay, so friends, now you can see that this is our output generated numbers. Yeah, again I have made spelling mistake. Okay, numbers. Save the code and again run our code. So friends, now you can see that this is our output generated numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine friends. So let's move to other return type of method, which is returning custom objects. Okay, returning custom objects. So let's start to write code for that. So friends, let's create one more class here with name person. Okay, name of the class is person, and let's add some variables. The first variable is name of data type, sorry, of type string, and another variable of integer data type, which is age. Okay, save the code. Now let's the type person is already defined. Okay, so let's give the name as person new. Okay, save the code. Fine. Now let's define constructor of the class person new. Right click source and generate constructor using fields. Generate, click on generate. Okay, so friends, this is the constructor of the class person new. Okay, now let's add getter methods. Okay, source, click on the right click, source, generate getters, and select getters. Okay, click on generate. Fine, friends. So public string get name and return name, public int get age, return age. Okay, fine. So now let's come into the main method. Let's come into main method and define one variable with name person. Sorry, define one object, create object of the so friends, now let's come into the main so in the class return type example, and let's create one method with name create person. Okay, so public static okay, write the name of the class person new. Okay, and method name is create person. Okay, and pass the variable name and age. Okay, and return new person new name and age. Okay, fine, friends. Now let's come into the main method and write the class name again, person new, object will be person equal to create, call the method create person Rahul, name of the person is Rahul, and his age is 42. Okay, save the code. Fine, friends. So friends, let's revise our code once again for better understanding. So friends, here we declare a class with name person new, which has two private instance variables, name, a string, which is a string, and the age, which is an int of which is an integer data type. Okay, and it has a constructor that initializes the name and age age properties when a person new object is created. Okay, later on getter methods in class person new. Okay, the person new class has two getter methods, which is get name and get age, that allow accessing the uh, private private name age private name and age private name and age properties respectively. Okay, fine, friends. So and the Now let's talk about the create person method. Okay, so the create person method is declared to return a person object, to return a person object. Okay, sorry, person new object. It takes two parameters, name, a string, and age of integer data type. Okay, it creates and returns a new person object using the provided name and age by invoking the person class constructor, person new class constructor. Okay, fine friends. So let's run our code. Sorry friends, I forget to write the print statement. So let's add the print statement before running our code. Okay, let's add print statement using the methods system.out.println. Okay, so pass the message as person colon plus person dot select the method get name plus space comma age colon plus all the method person dot select the method get age. Okay, fine. Save the code friends and let's run our code, get the output to the console. Okay, so friends, now you can see that this is our output person name is Rahul and his age is 42. Okay, and friends, so friends, this is all about method return types in Java. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Code Jiffy. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Keep coding, happy coding. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you once again.